Technology has come a long way in the last 60 years, so it's no surprise that you constantly hear about software engineers, product managers, testers, and developers. Change is one thing that hasn't changed during this period. Technology advances every 2 to 3 years, so it's critical for professionals in the field to stay current if they want to advance quickly in their careers. Let's take a look at what technologies will be popular in 2023. Number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning. The most revolutionary technologies these days, AI and ML, will continue their transformation this year. Leaving on a trip tomorrow for business or pleasure, weather information or travel warnings will be automatically sent to your phone or tablet. Considering a marketing initiative, your AI assistant will naturally divide up your audience into categories so that you can send them more tailored messages and obtain better response rates. The install rate of AI-based technologies in new cars was just 8% in 2015. This figure is predicted to rise to 109% in 2025. Whether it's Google, Meta, Amazon, or any other tech company you can think of, they are prioritizing AI in front of everything else. This technology is what the future will hold, and there is an urgent need for skill sets in these fields. In the US, AI engineers often make over $110,000 a year. Number 2, cybersecurity. Global cybercrimes are developing at an even faster rate in the ever-expanding tech sector, where new tech trends continue to emerge. According to a recent McAfee analysis, there have been more than $1 trillion in damages due to cybercrimes worldwide. There is an immediate threat, extremely high stakes, and a shortage of highly trained and certified cybersecurity specialists to satisfy the need. As a result, businesses are willing to offer highly skilled cybersecurity workers substantial income, and therefore, upskilling in cybersecurity could be the finest investment you can make right now. On LinkedIn, more than 50,000 search results were returned for cybersecurity. These results include prestigious companies like Deloitte, PayPal, AT&T, IBM, Oracle, Apple, and other well-known firms providing cybersecurity job openings. There's never been a better time to start a career in cybersecurity, with the average annual wage for cybersecurity professionals in the U.S. at $115,867. Number 3, the Metaverse. Mark Zuckerberg describes the Metaverse as the internet that you're inside of rather than just looking at. The Metaverse is a network of shared immersive virtual worlds where people can connect with friends, create and play games, work, and shop. The tech giants have already started building Metaverse-like experiences, such as virtual fashion shows, live concerts, and workspaces.
Metaverse can give a realistic approach where students can learn everything more intimately. According to a report, Facebook will create around 10,000 jobs in the next 5 years via the Metaverse. As per Goldman Sachs' forecast, the Metaverse market size will be worth $2 to $12 trillion in the future. Many big brands like Disney, Hyundai, Gucci, Samsung, Adidas, and Nike have identified the potential for business value in the Metaverse and have come up with innovative Metaverse-based initiatives. Number 4, DevOps. DevOps is essentially the collaboration between development and the operations team. The DevOps ecosystem has been substantial changes that set it apart from previous technological developments. DevOps is becoming a fascinating field to work in both now and in the future because of new methods, technology, and trends. There are 144,000 or more jobs available in the US according to LinkedIn. Amazon, Netflix, Target, Walmart, Meta, Etsy, and Adobe are a few businesses that are actively recruiting DevOps engineers. In the US, a DevOps engineer may make up to $200,000 a year. Number 5, full stack development. Due to their multifaceted knowledge, full stack web developers may easily cover the workload of 2 to 3 engineers. A software specialist who is equally skilled in front-end and back-end development is known as a full stack web developer. A survey from LinkedIn claims that since 2015, the demand for full-stack web developers has grown by 35% annually. By 2024, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that there will be approximately 853,000 positions available for these experts, up from 135,000 currently. Companies like TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, IBM, HCL, and Accenture are among those always searching for full-stack web engineers. The average pay for a full-stack web developer in the U.S. is $109,393, according to Glassdoor. Number 6, blockchain. Applications for blockchain go well beyond cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. According to Gartner Inc., the value that blockchain will provide to businesses will increase quickly, hitting $176 billion by 2025 and $3.1 trillion by 2030. Companies like Infosys, TCS, and Accenture are among those who employ blockchain developers. In the US, the average compensation for a blockchain engineer is $136,000. Number 7, cloud computing. These days, using cloud services is a requirement. One must embrace the cloud and make a commitment to updating their IT if they want to stay competitive. The cloud is being used by healthcare organizations to create more individualized patient treatments. Companies that provide financial services are utilizing the cloud to provide real-time fraud prevention and detection. Additionally, online games are distributed to millions of players worldwide by video game developers via the cloud. Employers seeking cloud workers include General Electric, Apple, Netflix, Google, and eBay. Depending on their position of level of competence, cloud architects in the United States average a salary between $119,908 to $140,836. Number 8, hyperautomation. Hyperautomation is the concept of automating everything in an organization that can be automated. Organizations that adopt hyperautomation aim to streamline processes across their business using artificial intelligence, robotic process automation, and other technologies to run without human intervention. According to Gartner, by 2024, companies will deploy at least 3 of the 20 pieces of software that enable hyperautomation as a result of the push for hyperautomation. TCS, UiPath, Wipro, Infosys, Automation Anywhere Inc., and Appian are just a few of the well-known businesses operating in the hyperautomation market. Knowledgeable technologists make an average income of $127,000 in the U.S. Number 9, data science. It's no surprise that data science is included on this list of hot technologies. Data science is a desirable career choice as a result of the increasing growth of data. To find patterns in the data scientists gather the data, clean it, and then create models and algorithms. Data scientists are ranked as the 3rd best job in technology by U.S. News and as the 6th greatest profession overall. Since 2012, the number of employment in data science has increased by 650%, and by 2026, another 11.5 million jobs are projected to be created. Global employers for data scientists include Microsoft, JP Morgan Chase & Company, Amazon, Ernst Young, and PwC. The staggering average compensation for a data scientist in the U.S. is $111,000 annually. Number 10, business intelligence. A pool of unusable data is transformed into valuable knowledge via business intelligence, which then inspires choices and activities that have a beneficial effect on the bottom line. The most cutting-edge and prosperous business in the world use the power of BI, from financial organizations like American Express to social media behemoth Facebook. The companies SAP, Microsoft, Azure, Emphasis, Capgemini, Accenture, Sony, and Infosys are just a handful that use this technology. Power BI developers with experience have tremendous earning potential and make an average annual income of $134,000 in the U.S.